me from doing a pull. Damn it. Maybe it's for a reason. Didn't even try to grip. That shit just like... Thank you. He pulled out his phone, you guys. He pulled out his phone. I had to. I absolutely had to do it. He pulled out his phone. I was just skating on ice, you guys. Whee! Like, it did it so subtle too. It's just kind of like da, 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 da. I don't know if it picked it up on camera because the GoPros do that auto correction thing when you move. But the car was just like this. Hey, the good thing is that I do have the big sign on the side of my door of my YouTube channel, so if he recorded it, maybe he'll tag me. You never know. Oh my god, dude, the turbo sounds so good now. You guys hear that? Oh shit, that sounds crazy. The blow-up valve in years. It sounds good on the low RPM, mid RPM, up RPM. It just sounds really, really nice and smooth. I'm honestly so proud about this exhaust, you guys. It was a lot of work, but I think I did a hell of a job.
Hey, that motherfucker sexy.
Thank you, bro.
That motherfucker sexy.
Appreciate you, big dog. Man. Like I always say, you guys, traffic here is horrible now. Hey, but I did have somebody commenting on one of the videos where I had the clutches, where I installed the clutch on this car, and they're asking about it being too grabby. I'm like, hell no, bro. Look, stop and go traffic. And this is probably my favorite clutch setup on all the cars. Appreciate you, man. I always thank people whenever they let me in. If you guys didn't know this, the miles per gallon that you get on E85, it's bad. Like, it's bad. Like, compared to like regular 93, it's pretty rough. Bro, it's so quiet. Look, I'm just cruising down in neutral. You can't even hear anything. That's crazy. I mean, I can feel the rumble behind me, right? But nothing like it used to be. I was pulling over here because the Supra's on the left side. All right, boys. Let's put some fuel in this. $2.19. Damn, it's already down. No, it's just here for fuel. That is all. Once I set the pump up like this, I went into the gas station. I came back out and the whole street was flooded of fuel. The shop that had worked on my car before, they didn't put the seal that goes on top of the fuel hat, and all the fuel was just overflowing. Like it was $100 and some of fuel. That was back then when I ran the car on 93. There you go. Even number. Well, not even, but it's a little OCD that I have. COVID vaccine, are you kidding me? Sure. I guess one thing I can show you is how it sounds whenever the cutouts are open. Oh yeah, that changed. Yeah, it's way different, way louder. Holy crap. I can't believe I drove around with full bumper exit for like 3 or 4 years. That's insane, dude. No, actually it was like 5 or 6 years. It was like 5-6 years of bumper exit exhaust. It sounds good, but damn, it's loud. Right away, the car feels a lot more responsive with the cutouts open. But I'm good. I did that for too many years. I'll do that in the event that I actually need the extra power. Close that baby up and go back to our street mode. Oh yeah. Much nicer. Obviously still really fast, but I can feel the power difference with the cutouts open and the cutouts closed for sure. I mean, it's still loudish, right? But nowhere near as loud as what it used to be. It still sounds really good. The turbos sound absolutely beautiful. You can hear the spool, you can hear the blowout valve, you can get a little bit of a turbo flutter. I don't think the camera will pick up the flutter. Overall, I think it's just perfect for the street, man. And again, if I really wanted it to make it loud, I'll flip that switch and that's it. This is one of those roads where I couldn't trust to dual pull. Not only are there people working there, but too many cars coming in and out of the roads. And if I can give you guys some advice, don't ever do anything on roads where there's multiple entrance and exits, because you just never know, man. You might be going fast, somebody comes out in front of you, you can't stop. Be careful. Please be careful. Now, I am curious to hear you guys' opinion. Do you guys like it more the way it is now? The way it was before with just only the bumper exit exhaust? Or do you like it the way it is now but with the cutouts open? I'm gonna be honest with you guys, man. And obviously this is gonna be different for me because I've had to endure 5-6 years of straight crazy exhaust for a long time. But I really like this setup. Like, it's nice. I know I'm sacrificing a little bit of power with it closed. Just get in the damn lane. Jesus, dude. I swear, some people shouldn't have driver's license. Let's see if he has one. And we made it home, boys. Alright. Thank you guys for joining me for this little cruise and test of the new exhaust. Catch you guys on the next one.